Hello, in front of me I've got Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick. In this video I'll show you how to use gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Right here we've got the multifunctional panel. If you want to increase the volume, simply swipe up through the panel. If you want to decrease it, swipe down. To play pause music, press once. To answer and end the calls, press once. To activate voice assistant, press and hold this button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.